Hi, Adrian Duncan here again, introducing the second of the 6-part video series, this one about the planets, which are the major players in the horoscope. So this is the second of the courses, of the video courses. After this comes houses, aspects, synthesis of the horoscope, and finally transits, which will help you understand what's happening here and now in your horoscope. So this second course is going to be about the planets. We're going to see how their symbols are built up. We're going to learn the key elements of the planets and how they're kind of represented. For example, the sun represents the self and how you find the center of yourself and in an individuation process. And the moon represents your unconscious mind and your attachment and comfort and habits, and how Mercury is connected with communication, talking, speaking, learning, siblings, and how that affects you in your horoscope. And Venus is going to be connected with beauty and with attraction and love, and Mars with desire, drives, sexuality, Jupiter with wisdom and with the whole concept of believing in the future and expansion, and Saturn, which is very much connected with the limitations and the experiences that we have throughout life and the problems that we overcome, so that over time we become a very strong human being. And Uranus, which is the wild card in astrology, an electric, inspiring influence. So while Uranus is connected with the unpredictable and the electric and the revolutionary influences, Neptune is connected more with the spirit, with the inner attunement to sorrow on the one hand and compassion on the other, to an identification with the cosmos, with nature, and the realization that life is temporary, and there's a whole cycle of evolution. And after Neptune, Pluto is the last planet we normally deal with in astrology, although there are planets beyond Pluto like Eris, which is also larger than Pluto, and but tremendously slow in its orbit around the Sun. Takes over 500 years. Pluto takes 247 years. And Pluto represents transformation in our lives. It's where we repress things we're uncomfortable with, which kind of distorts behavior. So Pluto shows where we confront repression and transform it into some kind of transformative energy that puts things on a completely new footing. So those are the planets. We'll also be looking at the rulership of signs, how each planet has an affinity with signs, and that's pretty much what the course about planets is about 45 minutes. And the course after this one is going to be about houses. So enjoy this course, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.